to show you how you make bobbins for your Graphghan. Basically, I just grab the corrugated cardboard that comes with my Amazon packages, and I make little strips, and I make them little squares, just like this. And then I just take my slices, I put 2 slices in here, and that's it. And so then I've got all these little bobbins. And when you wrap them, this is what they look like. So if I grab my yarn and I want to make a bobbin, what I do is I hold the yarn here, hook it through the first slot, and I just wrap. And I wrap. And I wrap till it's about this much. Not too much, but enough that it will last, because all the patterns, they go in a line. And when I'm done, I just hook it in the hook, cut the end off, and I'm ready to go. And then I have all my bobbins.